Hi my friends, and welcome back. I'm George Pearson. I do want to thank you for watching. This video is about classified ads. It's about how to use free classified ads in order to drive traffic. And of course you can use free classified ads to drive traffic to your websites, to your affiliates, to your squeeze pages, to your videos, and so forth. The reason why I recommend that you stick around is I'm going to share with you a really simple process. I mean, this is 1, 2, 3, literally 1, 2, 3 simple steps. You can create an ad in seconds, and you can copy and paste that ad to tens or hundreds of classified websites in a very short period of time. Now, I initially started manually, and I want to share with you how you can do this manually as quickly as possible, because even when you do it manually, it's going to work. So what we're going to get into is I'm going to share with you some free classified ad sites, and actually you can type in free classified sites, free classified ads, and so on websites in your browser, and you're going to find thousands of them. But there will be a link below to 75 which I've posted, so to help you get started. When you join these classified ads, may I suggest that you create a folder in your bookmarks called classified ads or free classified ads or whatever you want to call it, and then put all those bookmark all those classified ad sites and put them in that folder. And that way you can go to that folder and you can open up 1 or 10 or 50 or 75 or 100 or 1,000. But you can open those in a new page, open a new page, and then just copy and paste your ad. And what this is an example of what I call Blitz Marketing, and this is something that I made a commitment to push. I wanted to push this particular strategy. It's simply the idea is that if you or I can do one thing at a time, well, if we could do maybe 2 at a time, we could do it a little faster, 3 at a time, 5 at a time, 10 at a time. So you want to do as many as you can at one time in order to get more done in less time. You want to get more done in less time. And that's one of the things, reason why you want to check this out, why you may want to try this, is I think that you're going to find that you're going to get a lot more results in a lot less time than some of the other methods that you may be using. Let me just give you an idea of what I'm talking about as far as return on your investment. And by that I don't mean the money, but the time. You can create an ad literally in seconds, and then you can copy and paste that ad, or you can copy and paste many ads again and again and again to hundreds or thousands of sites, and you don't have to change the ad. You just copy and paste. And it's only 3 lines. If you join Facebook groups, and I don't mean to pick on Facebook, but I'm talking from my own experience. When you join Facebook groups, if you put a short blurb about your video or about your affiliate or web page or whatever in a Facebook group as opposed to a Facebook group, you got a pretty good chance that that group is going to consider that spam, and it won't even get published. And so therefore, in order to get around that, you've got to create a longer post. Longer posts take more time. And then you can't just take that post and post it on one group and the next group and the next group and so on like you can on a classified, because that will be considered spam. Facebook now will step in and say, whoa, this is spam, we're not publishing those posts. So what that means is once we create that long post, which takes time, now we still have to spend more time because we got to mix it up for the next group, and then we got to mix it up again for the next group, and so on. And this equals time. That 3-line classified takes seconds. That 3-line classified ad takes seconds to create, and you can post it again and again and again without running into a problem with spam. The first thing, of course, is to hook up with some classified ads. As I mentioned, there's a link below. Our next step is to create that ad. So that is a real simple 3-step process. The first step is to create your headline. And your headline, the main thing about your headline is to grab attention. It needs to grab attention. An example of an ad for this video, let's say, would be rediscover classified ads, or classified ad secrets, classified ads revealed. Then the second line is you want to give a little bit of information and entice that reader to become a visitor or a viewer. So you want to entice them to click on that ad. So the second line would be discover why free classified ads are the most powerful way to drive traffic. And then the third line is your call to action. Click here for more details, click here for free video, click here for free ebook, if I were giving away an ebook or something like that. These are real simple 3 steps. Grab attention, give some information, make a call to action. That's simple. 3 simple steps. So the next step we want to do is to set up tracking. So the link that you're going to use in your classified ad, you want to use a URL shortener. One of the shorteners that I recommend is IBO Toolbox. And the simple reason is that on IBO Toolbox, you're going to, it's a little less traveled, so to speak. It's going to be a little easier to come up with an alias that hasn't already been taken. So what that does is it's going to shorten the URL. In step 1, you're going to shorten the URL, and then in step 2, you're going to click on alias, and then you're going to change that URL to classified ad secrets, ad giveaway, ad bonus, whatever might be applicable. And the reason why you're doing that, the primary reason, of course, is to be able to track that link. What's happening? Are people clicking and so on? You're going to be able to track the link. And then the next reason, the other benefit, however, is by using an alias, it's going to help that link get more clicks, because the alias makes that link a little bit, makes that link a lot more inviting. Instead of URL 123, it's URL ad secrets, and it makes that more inviting. So you're going to get more clicks, and of course more clicks means more views or more visitors, and of course that more views and more visitors can mean more sales, more subscribers, and so on. Next thing I want to just touch base with you on is the fact that I actually did classified ads. My personal experience as far as classified ads was that I manually did them, I'm going to say for a couple of weeks, possibly 3 or 4 weeks at the most. But I'm going to, somewhere between probably 2 to 4 weeks, I did them manually. And what I discovered was that 2 things I discovered. The first thing I discovered, of course, is that it works. I used classified ads specifically, and back then, this is before I was aware of tracking, and I'm not even sure that URL shorteners even existed back then. But my way of tracking was that I used one particular affiliate. Market Health actually is the affiliate that I used, and I still use them. So every visitor that I sent to Market Health and every sale that I made from Market Health was all because of classified ads. That was the only method that I used to generate sales, traffic and sales for that site. So the first thing I discovered within less than a couple of weeks is that it worked. The second thing that I discovered was that it was tedious. It's copy and pasting and copy and pasting and copy and pasting and copy and pasting and copy and pasting can get a little bit old. So then at that point I went to automation. At that time there was a lot of free automated software, and you could use the software, and it did a pretty darn good job, but you had limitations, of course. So I started with free software and free automation, and fortunately I needed to upgrade within a short period of time, and I ended up with a site called Be Canada, and I'll leave a link below to that. And the main reason why I recommend Be Canada is that it is software that will help you to automate, but it is software that comes with lifetime updates. Every week the software is updated. And you see, the problem with this kind of software is that the regular software becomes outdated in a matter of months, or certainly within a year or two. It's pretty much outdated because sites come and go, classified sites come and go and change URLs and so on. So if the software is not updated, then less and less of your ads are actually getting published. I've been with Be Canada, I'd say at least 11 or 12 or 13 years. Every week the software is updated. Just a matter of minutes, I can literally send out thousands and thousands and thousands of ads in a matter of minutes. And with one click, I can actually send out thousands and thousands of ads. So once you find out that it works, consider coming back and checking out Be Canada and checking out their software. So if you like this video, give us a big old thumbs up. Thank you. Hit that like button, smash that like button, and while you're at it, if you haven't subscribed, smash that subscribe button and ring the bell. That way you're going to get notified when these videos are published. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. I appreciate you, and allow me to wish you much success.